Hi, in this video I will show you how to create a metal pendant and attach it to a necklace. So I will use this metal pendant. I will also need a bail, and I will also need the necklace on which I will hang the pendant. So in order to make the pendant, I will show you from a closer distance how to create this pendant. So I have this bail here, and I will open the bail like this. I will take the pendant and put it on this bail, and so this will be the pendant. And now I will take my necklace and put the pendant on the necklace. This way. And now I will close the bail like this. And my pendant is now hanging on the necklace. So let's see what the necklace looks with this pendant. So this is the finished necklace with the pendant that we have attached. So as you can see, we only need the bail, the pendant and this necklace, and with no tools at all we can create a necklace like this with metal pendant. So I hope you liked the video and thank you for watching.